Hi, folks. This is Chris Voss from thechrisvossshow.com. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube. This is from Zyxel.com, Zyxel Networks. It's their PLA6456. It's a G.hn 2400 Mbps Wave 2 Powerline Pass-thru Gigabit Ethernet adapter. Now, this thing is pretty amazing. It transforms the way users can network their homes with a new G.hn technology. It transforms the power outlets into your home into a fast network while extending internet access through the home, and it's capable of delivering up to 2400 Mbps, which is perfect for 8K streaming and provides lag-free online gaming experience. Now, if you're like me, one of the problems we had is we have in the farthest corner of our home an office that has the internet installed in it, the cable that comes in the house, and we just have trouble at another office on our second floor, way over at the farthest other point of the house. And we've always had trouble getting up there. We've been trying to run lines and cords all over the house to make it work, etc., etc. It's just been a pain. What we were able to do was eliminate all those cords running all over the house and trying to get other networks set up and trying to get the range over there or paying the cable company to come lay a new wire. We were able to get these and voila. Plug them into the router, and away you go. We've got internet now up in that room on a basic hardwire, if you will. Really easy to do. 1 minute easy setup. You just plug it in, plug in the cords. Away you go. You don't lose the electronical outlet that you have there. You still have the plug, so you can do that. It's a full speed gigabit port. It can also do save up to 90% power, where it has a thing where it can take and rest if it's not in use, and it gives you a lighting system, let you know what's connected, what's not connected, what's working, what's not working, etc., etc. The standby mode really helps with power consumption. I got to tell you, we got a chance to play with it, tried it. We loved it. Just totally sold on it. Highly recommend this product. Go to Zyxel.com. That's Zyxel.com. There'll be a link on the Chris Voss Show. Order up the PLA6456. I think you'll love it. It'll convert your power into a supersonic network. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube. We'll see you next time.